An updated checklist for grooms. Buy ring, get tux, make sure you're not already married. And if you are already married, make sure you at least unfriend your wife on Facebook who is still calling herself Mrs. and still using your last name. I'm Jen Markham on Buzz 60. An Australian woman found out her new husband was already married after his first wife found her on Facebook. In Melbourne family court documents, the woman identified only as Mrs. Kiet says a short time after her wedding, she received a message from the other woman saying, "Hello, new Mrs. Kiet. How can you be Mrs. Kiet when I am still Mrs. Kiet?" The first year of marriage is known to be difficult, but the second wife thing seemed to speed up the end. The couple separated. The old Mrs. Kiet sent the woman her marriage certificate, and after she discovered there was no divorce record, she took her new husband to court and had the marriage annulled. And if you're wondering what this guy had to say for himself, he told his new wife he wouldn't appear in court via text message, saying, "I think I've put you through enough hurt." All this technology is sure making bigamy a lot harder to get away with. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.